If you are having electrical issues with your vehicle, one of the first places you should start is a ground test, and this video is for you. Let's go. Grab a multimeter and we'll do a ground test. Test the voltage at the battery, then the body ground, then the motor, and they should be close to the same voltage with a small variation. To test with a test light, hook it to the positive side of the battery and probe the body ground, motor ground, This is what a bad ground would look like with a test light. It's dim compared to the battery. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.